Hi, it's Rasmus here and welcome to the channel. Today I took an early morning to go out and cook some classic breakfast over an open fire. This seems like a quite good spot, I would say. It's very wet outside, so we don't have to build the largest stone circle to do a safe fire. So when you start making the fire, it's of course very important to have everything that you will need to start at the beginning. So I'm sheeting a bit. I have some cotton here, fire steel, and then of course I have some bark here from the wood that I have with me and some smaller sticks. But usually this time of year, everything is quite wet, so you don't have to, but it's okay to sheet a bit. The most important thing is starting the fire, of course. So fire's started. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I think I will need this bark. Let's try to start the base of the pergola fire. So the fire is started, and let's prepare everything for the breakfast. So we will be cooking some bacon and eggs and some tomatoes, and hopefully it will be a very nice weekend breakfast. Of course, some salt. And black pepper. My favorite way to do the eggs are scrambled, so let's just whisk them together. So now the eggs are prepared. Let's also try to heat up the tomatoes some here on the rocks. And I like my bacons really crunchy, so let's basically deep fry them in their own fat a bit more. So I would say that the bacons are done now. So let's put them on this plate. And now we have the dirty secret to a really good scrambled eggs. It is that's why you can only do this on the weekends, because you use the fat from the bacon and you put in all the eggs, the whisked eggs here. And then down to the fire. So the eggs are done. Let's put them on the plate. Let's take the heated tomatoes. Yes, and voila. A nice weekend breakfast. Okay, let's try the eggs. That is delicious. Wow. Let's take one of these tomatoes as well. Yeah. I also have some coffee with me. So I can really recommend going out early on the Saturday morning, and then you will be back for maybe lunch or something like that, and you have the whole weekend to do whatever you want. But it's very calming to start up the weekend like this, for sure. It's time to pack up everything here and put out the fire and this beautiful breakfast. Thank you for watching.